Introduction. Introduction to Access 2007. Welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Access 2007. In this tutorial, we are going to learn in detail about the world-famous database application, Microsoft Access 2007. Database programs have been available for personal computers for a long time. Unfortunately, many of these programs are either simple data storage managers that aren't really suitable for building applications or complex application development systems that are too difficult to learn and use. Even many computer literates have avoided such complex database systems unless they've been handed a complete, custom-built database application. The introduction of Microsoft Access more than a decade ago represented a significant turnaround in ease of use. Many people are drawn to it to create both simple and sophisticated database applications. In its 8th release, it has become an even more robust product designed for 32-bit versions of Windows. If you've previously shied away from database software because you felt maybe you needed programming skills or because it would take you too much time to become a proficient user, you'll be pleasantly surprised at how easy it is to work with all the new features rolled into Microsoft Office Access 2007. Office Access 2007 comes loaded with many existing database templates to solve business and personal needs. These templates are fully functioning applications that can be used as is without having to make any modifications. For users who do not want to modify the templates or even start from scratch, this latest version of Access comes with new table templates, new form and report, what you see is what you get editing tools, including improved auto formats, quick create object operations, and a fully revamped user interface, or UI, to visually assist the development process. Building a database. Creating a database. As discussed earlier, we will be helping our client eGizmos in storing their product catalog details. Before we get into creating and designing of the database, let us look at a brief history of our client. Our client eGizmos has been operating on the traditional model of selling high-end electronic items. In order to expand the customer base and tap the potential of Internet, eGizmos decided to build an online catalog of their products. With some expert advice, they decided to have MS Access 2007 as their database. With the required information, let us accomplish the requirement for our client eGizmos. We start this by creating a fresh database and saving it into a location. Though the database creation is possible in multiple ways, we are going to explore an easy and robust way to create it. Click Blank Database in the New Database section in the middle of the Getting Started screen. Upon clicking, the right side of Getting Started screen changes to display the Blank Database task pane. Here you are to enter the database name and choose the location in which it is to be created and saved. Enter the database name as eGizmos. You can click the Browse button to open the File New Database dialog box to select the drive and folder you want. In this example, we have selected D eGizmos as the location for the database in the D drive. Access 2007 takes a few moments to create the system tables in which to store all the information about the tables, queries, forms, reports, macros, and modules that you might create. Access then displays the navigation pane for your new database and opens a new blank table in the datasheet view. So we have successfully created our database. Close the database by clicking Close, or X. This button which is present in the top right corner of Access Workspace. Now it's time to create tables and other database objects to help our client.